This video continues walking students through the lesson from Unit 4, Day 20 on Jan Hus and Martin Luther. For the independent work section of this lesson, you will read and analyze primary source documents about two men, Jan Hus and Martin Luther. Both Hus and Luther waged protests against what they saw as the corruption of the Catholic Church. Their protests both contributed to significant changes in Christianity and European society. As you analyze the sources, pay attention to the similarities as well as the differences between the lives, protests, and deaths of the two men. When you finish your reading and analysis, respond to the questions provided. After this video, take time to carefully read the primary sources as well as the background information about Jan Hus and Martin Luther. Those sources are Spitzer Chronik by Diebold Schilling from 1485, Jan Hus's Final Declaration from 1415, Martin Luther as Junker Jorg by Lucas Cranach the Elder from 1521, and Martin Luther's The 95 Theses on the Power and Efficacy of Indulgences from 1517. You may notice that for each Jan Hus and Martin Luther, there is a primary source about them and a primary source that they themselves wrote. I also want to define a few key vocabulary words as you prepare to read these sources. In Spitzer Chronik Jan Hus, the word heretic is used, which means a person with opinions that are different from those of the Church. It's important to remember that at this time, the Church refers to the Roman Catholic Church. In Jan Hus' Final Declaration, the word recant is used in the background context, and recant means to take back what was previously stated. In the Final Declaration primary source, Jan Hus uses the word abjure, which means to renounce or to give something up. In the source, Martin Luther as Junker Jorg, the German word Junker is a term for a land-owning aristocrat. Once you have carefully read the primary sources, you'll be ready to answer the questions for the independent work section of this lesson.